Hey friends, if you encounter the error server is not accessible, you might not have permission to use this network resource, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. The first solution is to restart the workstation service. So search for services in the Windows search bar and open services. Scroll down to the workstation service. Okay. Right click on it and then select restart. Because the workstation service is the one which manages servers. Now the second one is to reboot your router. Rather, I would say you can power cycle the router. These days modem and routers are all combined. So switch off your router and your system and then switch on your router only. Wait for all the lights to be stable and then switch on your computer. If you have a separate modem, then switch off all three devices. First switch on the modem, wait for lights to be stable, then switch on the router, then wait for lights to be stable, and finally the computer. The next solution is to disable IPv6. Press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Type the command ncpa.cpl and hit enter. This will open the network connections window. Right click on the active network connection and select properties. Make sure that the box associated with Internet Protocol version 6 is unchecked. It should be unchecked. It usually is checked. Click on OK. And last is to perform a network reset. Now I'll tell you why a network reset is important. Because whenever you read about commands like reset TCP/IP, flush DNS, reset WinSock, etc., you'll realize that the network reset encompasses all of these commands. I mean, when you perform network reset, you will be running every single command that will reset the network resources. So here's how you can reset your network. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the network and internet tab on the list on the left hand side. Select advanced network settings, select network reset and then select reset now and finally click on yes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.